Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm taking you through a day in my life as a Java full stack developer. But don't worry, that isn't just behind the scenes. I'm waving in top interview topics you need to know. So if you have a Java full stack interview coming up, buckle up. We are covering it all. So I kick off the day in our team stand up. We are working on a new feature, say a user dashboard for financial app. Here's where it gets real. One of the biggest interview topic is how you integrate the REST API into a Java backend. So we discuss how does a REST call work in the Spring Boot? How do we secure the endpoints without? And how do we handle API versioning? They are all questions I had when I after the stand up I dive into the coding that backend logic. One of the top interviews questions is about how you optimize database call in the Java application. Today I'm using Hibernate with JPA and explain how lazy versus eager fetching impacts performance and how I use paginations to avoid overloading the UI. This database optimization questions come up a lot, so I always keep my queries efficient. Once the backend is solid, I work on integration, the front end. Now, a lot of interview ask about how to handle state management in Java full stack project. So I talk about using React on front end and how I keep the UI in sync with the backend using REST calls. A lot of students wonder how do you manage the state between the front end and backend. I explain it by step by step. After integration, it's time for some really active work. Debugging a big interview topic is how you profile and how your profile is optimized a Java application. I show how I use tools like Visual VMs to spot memory leaks or slow queries. And of course, interviewers love this. They want to see how you troubleshoot performance issues in the live app. So, as a wrap up for a day, I reflect what makes a full stack Java developer stand out in interviews. It's not just knowing Java or Spring, it's seeing the big picture, how backend, frontend, and databases work together. So, the next time you get a questions, remember it's all about your problem solving approach. And if you do that, you will be ready. So, last but not the least, if you enjoy this day in a lifestyle breakdown, let's and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want more real world tips and interview prep. See you in the next time. Till then, keep learning.